Yeah, I want soft water. No, nigga. Your water tastes like pipes. Nigga, where you came from? I came from the Bay. Where the water tastes like bottled water, you feel me?
Yeah. Yeah, you don't know who I am. Don't know what I've been through. Money ain't shit to me. That should be fooling you. But I like that ice on my wrist. I would still buy some new kicks. Flex on you bitches. If I flow with riches, I help.
Welcome back to the channel. Didn't think I'd started this early after getting no sleep for 2 days, and but here we are, still moving. You got to rep the BH. You know what I'm saying? King anytime, Gary. So today we take this motor to the shop. Maybe bring my NSX to the shop. Start playing with this stuff. We're gonna do that. Meet up, grab some more Japanese food with the homie Yusuf, and hopefully grab some sleep before I have to go to work tomorrow, but stay tuned. Hello, sir. I'm gonna drop the back down and I got space inside the truck. And we can scoot it back. Just pulling up to the shop. The new one. See what these boys in here doing. Yeah.
Alright, y'all.
What you supposed to say?
Be back 2 weeks later. Nah, bitch, I ain't gonna say it today.
What you supposed to say?
You got Joe to say.
What you supposed to say, Mrs. Tesla?
You can ask motherfucker.
Nah, what you supposed to say?
Hey, Joe.
Look at he's supposed to say some shit, but now he don't want to say it.
No, you can't come in here and ask a motherfucker what you supposed to say.
What you supposed to say?
Nah.
What you supposed to say?
You recording the music video?
I'm recording you. What you supposed to say?
Fucking video.
Alright.
You can do your valve covers up and shit.
I think it was like a 91 or something.
So you need your phone?
Oh! So here's your phone.
I like everything from the 90s.
Hell yeah. 1G, bro. They had, nigga. I don't even what you call that shit. Satellite, nigga.
You don't know.
You satellite.
Bro, your phone. Just look at your phone.
Nah, nigga, I don't got to pull up antenna on my shit.
Oh, you got one of them internal antennas. Right.
Oh, no. You niggas going ham. Okay, so this is what happens when I leave and y'all go away for periods of time. These boys be stacking the jokes. These niggas like, oh, I know what I'm saying.
Like 2 months?
Right. It's been a minute. Fucking 90 degrees. That's why it's so big. Thank you. Thank you, Jeezy.
Just put this motherfucker in your car.
The whole ass thing.
It don't leak.
No. This is like a partial flip, maybe.
A what?
Partial flip.
You partially flip the one out of your car.
It's gonna work.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh my god. Nigga trying to ruin my shit.
Nah, it's fucking
What you got over here?
good.
You got 2 oil pens, right?
Good. 2 open. This nigga. Yeah, I guess. That'll do. Oh, you flipped it, I see.
You're about to put all that on that little ass tailgate.
Uh-huh. All of it.
You trying to make
Risking it all. Come on, Jay. Oh, the little pool, yeah.
Yeah, well, it was all black too. I was like, what the fuck is this door?
It's kind of bracing itself on this.
Yeah, right. You got extra one, right?
Nigga, please. Ooh, look at Junior with the jacket. You got scared, boy, didn't you? Ooh, these goddamn floors are smooth.
Now they are. Okay.
Can't even hear it. Look at it.
Slow.
Can't even hear the wheels move. This boy floating a fat one though. You know kids watch this shit.
You know ain't no motherfucking kids watch this shit.
No, you know kids watch this shit.
Out of the way.
Out of the way. Out of the way.
We're gonna go that way.
Out of the way. And he kicks it away.
Smack, crack, pop.
Oil pan.
You got an extra.
Go down.
Yo.
Slow.
Slow.
Fast.
Oh, it's on there.
Keep going.
That's it. Bad boy's on there. Thank you, boys. Appreciate you. Nigga, I don't want no action.
Soft water?
Yeah, I want soft water. No, nigga. No. Your water tastes like pipes.
Nigga, where you came from?
I came from the bay, where the water tastes like bottled water. You feel
Nah,
me?
you full of shit.
I ain't feeling nothing.
You don't fucking water taste like hobo piss.
Nah, nigga, our water tastes like this shit right here, nigga. Crystal Geyser is what Bay Area water tastes like, nigga. What? What you like, Aquafina?
Aqua who?
You look like an Aquafina drinking nigga.
I'm not no Aquafina drinker.
Mm-hmm. Nah, that hard water will fuck you up.
Now if you are.
It don't work like that. Taillight's falling off, dog. Oh, is it? Yeah. Let me see. Oh, that's good, bro. I ain't true.
Oh, okay.
I ain't going nowhere.
Remember, didn't it say left?
Bruh, say Explorer right there.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline. Adrenal line.
They fucking spelled adrenaline wrong on the back of
There's
your
no
truck.
E.
Yeah, there is.
It's a stylized spelling.
Stylized spelling.
You know, instead of A's, they put upside down fucking V's.
Stylized.
The N's are sideways Z. The I is italicized the wrong way.
I tell you.
That motherfucker saying adrenaline. Exploder.
Built
They
for
figure
tough.
the more fucking names they put behind Explorer, you know, the better you get.
You just cut the N off that fucking.
Built
N
for
and
tough.
Put it before the or after the A.
Listen, Ford, if you see this, Ford,
Ford not gonna see this. They trying to leave this.
Hey, Ford.
bullshit in the
Ford,
past.
Ford.
Ford. Metal's just like, nah, bro, we gotta let that one go. No sauce on it.
Ooh. Motor assembly section. That's Dad's section, yeah? Okay. Oh, you niggas got some bulls in here? Hey!
You gotta bring a bowl to get a bowl. Ooh, little season. Go get okay. Come on.
Like a Poke Bowl?
Yeah.
Alright.
Pokemon, nigga.
Nah, nigga.
Put the directions in your phone. Let's go.
Poke Bowl? You want Poke Bowls?
He said put the directions in your phone.
Y'all trying to slide or something?
Go home and print them bitches out from your computer.
This ain't Matt Quest. Car fucking Quest. Whatever it is, Quest. You trying to downplay my phone like it ain't got an apple on the back. You with this fire ass exhaust. Move.
Got no fire. Bye.
Look it.
No, I don't want you to explode on me.
I don't want to hit you with this
That sound hella gay.
this built by Ford, you feel me? I don't want to hit you with that fire. You know, watch this shit. Watch this.
Oh, listen to all of that tick. This motherfucker's a ticking time bomb.
This shit clean. Fire ass Poke Bowls. From this place in Stockton, was it Poke Salad? Mm-hmm. What's your shit looking like? You looking extra colorful. You got all the colors today. Oh. This boy said my germs though. Well, we just left the shop. Motors there, nice and safe. Appreciate you, Lamar. Next, probably get the car there, figure out what the next plan is, but I think I have to refinish this. We're about to head to the house because it's getting late, sun's going down. Get ready for work on Monday.
It feel like the past slips away. We finally spread our wings and fly. Remember back in the day when we never questioned why. You could tie your laces tight, run endlessly and play. You could run, go hard and seek and try to never end your day. Now the clouds just drift away while the pain holds on you tight. Mama told me to keep praying.